Hello from Slovenia. I'm very grateful that I can speak to you today. I'm going to present you soil management approach of my friend, biodynamic farmer Vesna Čuček. He recently won the International Soil and Land Management Award amongst 19 exceptional applications from 9 European countries. Organic farming, the farm's technological innovations in irrigation and greenhouse cultivation, and the improvement of soil fertility and biodiversity convinced the jury to award him for his outstanding contribution to the development of agricultural practice protecting the soil and the environment. I'm very grateful that farmer's son, Primož Čuček, helped me and prepared this excellent 7-minute video for you. In the first part of the video, we will show you their biodynamic approach to soil health. In the second part of the video, we will present the successful recultivation of an area which was severely damaged by construction works, as this impressed soil experts in the jury a lot. Let's take a look.
We began 26 years ago with the purchase of a small 2.5 hectare farm. Today we care for 40 hectares, of which 6 hectares are owned and 34 hectares are rented, half of them in 10 hilly villages in the surrounding where cattle is grazing to prevent overgrowth. 24 years ago we stopped using chemicals for production of strawberries, and this was the turning point towards organic agriculture. The farm is organic for 17 years. We are officially in biodynamic agriculture since 2012, and from 2014 we've got the Demeter certificate. More than 30 varieties of vegetables are grown on 0.7 hectares and strawberries on 0.3 hectares. Vegetables and strawberries are grown mostly in greenhouses. 39 hectares are for our 40 heads of cattle. They are outside for 8 months, grazing on pastures and in 8 villages in the surrounding. Our main ambition is to produce healthy food with the best flavor and taste, of course with the right attitude towards nature and consumers, and also with the lowest carbon footprint possible. I've chosen the biodynamic approach because it's the best for members of our family, the best for our consumers, the best for our neighbors, and the best for our land, and also because I want to preserve the farm in the best possible condition for the generations in the future. I want to prove that it's possible to farm this way and live good from the incomes, using the know-how learned on farm from other similar biodynamic farms in Slovenia and from biodynamic farmers from abroad. Main concern in biodynamic approach is formation of living soil, humus. Therefore, we use compost biodynamic preparations 500 prepared in Maria Thun preparation, green manure crops, and conservation tillage with rippers. These methods increase the proportion of organic matter in the soil and contribute to its ability to provide a sink for carbon. In greenhouses, we are not plugging already 25 years, and on fields more than 10 years. We use special rippers which provide aeration of the soil with fewer disturbances than plugging, increase the soil's microbial mass and the soil's carbon sink capacity. Soil aerated in this way retains more water and prevents crop losses during droughts. During heavy rain, such soil with good structures and humus also absorb more water and prevent floods. We give special attention to cultivation of the soil when it's not too wet, with appropriate tools gently as possible, with tractors as light as possible.
Hydropower plant asked for our help to recultivate a 1.4 hectare big plot, which was a part of a larger dumpling area for construction works. Because of heavy construction machinery and huge amount of material from the river deposited on this area for 3 years, the soil was totally compacted, which caused water stagnation. We took over this plot in April 2018. We started with reaping 40 centimeters deep. The speed did not exceed 5 kilometers per hour, which is most important. After reaping, we sprayed biodynamic preparation 500. We repeated the spraying after some days. Afterwards, we sowed a biodiversity mixture for green manure with 25 plant varieties of Kamener Salmon Company from Germany, which is designed for regenerative agriculture. The growth of the plants during the summer was incredibly vigorous all over the plot, with high yield of organic substance, although the soil analysis in 2017 showed very poor content of phosphorus and kalium. In early September, the mixture on the plot was mulched, worked in the soil with the ripper, and soil was sprayed with a biodynamic preparation made of manure according to the Mariatun method. After some days, we sprayed the soil with preparation 500 and sowed a frost-resistant green manure mixture with 6 varieties of plants. The plants of this mixture germinated evenly and very good, which is well seen. This winter mixture was also surprisingly vigorous. After mulching it in May, we repeated the procedure by reaping, spraying the biodynamic preparation 500 and sowing a summer biodiversity green manure mixture. In September, the mixture was mulched, soil was sprayed with preparation 500, and after reaping, grass leguminous mixture was sown. In 2020, it was mowed. The yield was approximately 9.4 tons of hay per hectare. Third cut was mulched. Today soil is healthy. Procedure extremely improved soil structure, organic matter content and fertility of the soil. We are sure that we have activated and invigorated the soil life with aeration by reaping 30 to 40 centimeters deep, spraying biodynamic preparations and incorporation of mulched biodiversity green manure mixtures. We have to underline that for radical improvement of soil fertility, soil structure and biodiversity, it is vital that neither herbicides nor synthetic mineral fertilizers are used, because they all have extremely negative effect on biodiversity of soil organisms and their biomass. Thank you for your attention. I'm here for your questions.